SAP Cloud Solutions can help businesses of any size, anywhere, to tackle their toughest challenges. Take these folks, for instance.
We don't have enough visibility.
Hey, can we do this one at a time? Go for it, Danny.
We don't have enough visibility into our extended supply chain to reliably predict when goods will be available to promise. So, we're losing orders.
We've got clunky processes and a bunch of systems that don't talk to each other. So we're having trouble answering the big, time-critical business questions.
We're struggling to hire and hang on to our best and brightest people, which is hurting our productivity and morale.
Hyper-personalization is the marketer's holy grail, but we don't have the tools to anticipate what each customer wants and offer the right product at the right time in the right place.
Our competitors are bringing out novel products, services, and business models. But we don't have the resources and the know-how to innovate quickly enough.
Don't worry, Dhruv. With a flexible platform powered by intelligent technologies, you can uncover unmet needs and bring new offerings to market at pace. SAP can help you, Maria, to anticipate customers' next move based on their buying history and automate one-to-one experiences at scale across every channel. Jenny, SAP solutions are designed around what employees need, how they work, and what motivates them, so you can keep them engaged and connected to your purpose. Paula, with SAP's intelligent processes and insights, you can make better decisions faster and take action with confidence. And Danny, with SAP solutions, you can build resilience into your supply chain to manage volatility. You might have heard some myths about SAP.
Too expensive.
Too complex.
Too slow to deploy.
Too big.
SAP wouldn't understand my business.
So, let's set the record straight.
SAP has solutions for businesses of every size.
That let you start small and scale as you grow with
Predictable pricing so you can manage your budget.
Plus, with a global community of over 22,000 partners, there'll be local experts you can rely on to help you solve your problem in your industry in your language.
All of which gives proven foundation to connect, grow, and innovate your business.
So it's no wonder
80% of customers
Are small or mid-sized companies
Who rely on SAP.
to achieve big things.
I think that's my line. For every growing pain, there's an SAP solution.